Leticia,
I am Putu Abang.
and today we're gonna teach you how to make a really simple bamboo knife holder. So this is something that you can do in your house. So basically, we have a piece of bamboo like this. It has one hole on one side and in the other, and basically you can use it to store your knives. So you can attach it to a wall, and it's something that you can do at home now. So keep watching. So today we are making a knife holder we put to a van, and now the first step is to measure. So we have the previous one that you can see over there that it's already made. So now he's just measuring the size of the knife. So you can see over here it already has the marks, so we are just, it's like a template, so we are just transferring those marks to the bamboo pole. Once we have those marks, we just start sewing over the marks. So basically we are doing two parallel lines. Now comes the interesting part. So you take first the part off, and then you start by making like a little hole on each side, and then you start carving. And put special attention on how the way Putu Aban is holding the knife and like the pressure he's putting on his thumb. So you see he's in total control of the knife with both hands. Yeah, and basically you repeat the same process until you have all of them. Gets a little bit tricky on the corners, but it's particularly useful with the bamboo knife because it's really pointy, so then there you can just use just a little tip. Yeah, so basically you follow the process until you have make on both sides. And then you can correct any places where you're not happy with the process, and then you can fit in your knives. So this is the final result, and this is how you can locate your knives. In our case, we're using the bamboo mutix, the knives we use, but you can use any knives that you have in your kitchen.